Detroit did it again, another fourth quarter comeback. But defense helped as they were hosting Jacksonville. Raphael Bush with a pick six. The Lions get a scare, but they win again.
Yes, it wasn't that offense today. It was defensive special teams. Exactly.
Detroit will host Minnesota on Thanksgiving. Minnesota hosted Arizona today. Cordero Patterson opened the second half with a 104-yard return.
He's not just a returner, coach, and he can play wide receiver as well.
Minnesota also had a 100-yard interception return by one of my favorite quarterbacks, Xavier Rhodes.
Now you're going to give him props. He's hating on him.
Tennessee at Indianapolis. Andrew Luck and T.Y. Hilton. Colts keep pace in the AFC South. They host the Steelers Thanksgiving night here on NBC.
The combination was hot all game.
New England at San Francisco. The Bay Area native Tom Brady. 4 touchdowns, no interceptions. They cruise past San Francisco.
They started off slow, but came back in the second half to put up a lot of points.
16 touchdowns, 1 pick for Brady. Philly at Seattle. Doug Baldwin, Russell Wilson. Seahawks have won their 3rd in a row.
Without NFC, Seahawks and back.
Chicago at the Giants. Giants won 5 in a row. Sterling Shepard. This proved to be the game winner.
He's a really good player, coach.
Yes, he is. Yes, he is.
G-Men 7-3. They got the Browns next. Baltimore at Dallas. Dak to Dez. They did it twice. Cowboys have won 9 in a row. The Ravens quarterback Joe Flacco starts the best sounds of Week 11.
I felt very confident coming into this game, and I really feel like we should beat this team. We should beat pretty much everything we play.
Okay, first thing, I will not entertain any questions about officiating. I thought it was some bad calls. Or no calls.
False start. Everyone got the center. Offense.
Yeah, probably because of the fact you started asking me about it last week. You know, that's kind of jinxed it.
I told you I'd have to kill you, and can I choose not to answer that?
Whoever left their credit card up here, that might go right out of that thing and right into my pocket.